Good morning, students. In the previous lecture, we studied about the India and its neighboring country. In today's e-lecture, we will study about the India's extent. India's extent means the boundaries, the limitations of Indian territories, where to where the country India is situated. We will study in this. India is a vast country. Its mainland extends between 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north latitudes. The north-south extent of mainland of India is about 3,214 kilometers around. And India is also located at 6 degree 14 minutes north latitude. The longitudinal extent of India is between 68 degrees 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east. Its longitudinal extent is approximate 29 degree. The east-west extent of India is about 2,933 kilometers. The map you are looking on your screen is showing latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. The blue circle, which is showing the latitudinal extent in the northern side of India, and the blue circle in the southern side you are looking, this is showing the southern latitudinal extent of India. And now look at on Gujarat. Here is showing longitudinal extent of India, and another circle is showing eastern longitudinal extent of India. Means here to there and not to south. This is the limits, this is the boundary of Indian territory. And the blue line is showing the mainland's last point. The southernmost tip of the mainland of India is Kanyakumari, and it is also known as Cape of Comorin. Andaman and Nicobar Island group lies in the Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep Islands lie in the Arabian Sea. They form parts of Indian Union. Indira Point is the southernmost tip of Indian island territory that lies in Nicobar Island. Now, the time which standard meridian is selected for the standard time of India, we will study. The sun rises in Arunachal Pradesh, the easternmost point of India. It rises in the Gujarat in the west after 2 hours. Means the difference between sunrise duration from Arunachal to Gujarat is 2 hours. But we have already studied, we can't follow many times in our country. So India is selected standard meridian in the mid. Dash dash line is showing standard meridian of India, and the longitudinal extent of this line is 82 degree 30 minute east. This time of followed by India. The time on standard meridian is followed all over the country and is 5.5 hours ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. I hope all the points of today's e-lecture are clear to you. If you face any problem, you can ask in your live classes. Thank you and have a nice day.